Sorry. I wonder if I should have some shepherd's pie. I'm hungry. What? The cops were called over there? What's the tea? I'm not defending him, Mystery Maya. I just don't like when anybody, like, I don't like when the cops are called on people. Tell him to call. I want the cops to be called. I want my shit. I'm not leaving without it. Fuck you. I want a cop. There's the police. But yeah, I don't like when like, do you know what I mean? I never wanted to do this. I never wanted to do anything legal. All right, I'm at the police station. We do have some bad fights. I don't hit him, but I would, like, insult him, like, copy and paste the word motherfucker 1,000. Sorry. Time. Smash the fucking steering wheel super hard if I was talking to him in the car. When we were allowed to be together. This was before. Just stuff like that. That's like really toxic shit too. I'm not sad. I think my house is haunted. I want to move. I don't love to cry either, Rachel, but you're gonna have to take both of me. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I laugh. But like, I don't know where to put my mind. It's in so many places. You know what I mean? It's easier said than done, isn't it? Oh. Oh my god, relish. Well, I'm hungry for hot dogs now. Good night, everybody. Bonne nuit. À demain. Salvista Police!